Hudson traffic, Cessna 90513 Hotel will be taking off runway 08 and remain in the pattern, New Hudson. Airspeed's alive. T's and P's look good.
Hey, Steven.
New Hudson 4773 Lima departing runway 08. New Hudson staying in the pattern.
Hudson traffic 90513 Hotel left crosswind for 08 New Hudson.
Mason Joe traffic, Mooney 1395 Whiskies, midfield downwind for runway 8, runway 10, Mason Joe.
That's far away if we want to come back and take a look at it.
Hudson traffic, Cessna 9513 Hotel left downwind for 08 New Hudson.
I'm going to tell Center I'm going to come on back. Okay.
Mason Joe traffic, Mooney 95 Whiskies, right base for runway 10, Mason Joe.
Hudson traffic, Cessna 9513 Hotel left base for 08 New Hudson.
New Hudson 4773 Lima turning crosswind, staying in the pattern.
Hudson traffic, Cessna 9513 Hotel, turning final, runway 08 full stop, New Hudson.
08 New Hudson. New Hudson 4773 Lima turning base for runway 08 New Hudson.
Hudson traffic, Cessna 9513 Hotel is cleared the active and taxiing to American Aces, New Hudson.
New Hudson 4773 Lima. On final to runway 08, New Hudson.